Where are we going?
To find out if Houston is our new home. Listening to the Super Bowl. Chasing your passion and doing what you truly want to do and not feeling trapped in your life.
We are officially on this moving journey. This is part 2 of we don't know until we get to our final destination. Today we're flying from Crestview, Florida, up in the Panhandle to Houston, Texas. Is this our final destination? You'll have to wait and see. Some of you guessed that we would be moving to Texas in the comments on our last video. Are you right? Are we going to Houston, Texas as our final stop, or is it just another layover?
Place those bets down in the comments.
But today's video isn't just about our big life change of moving. There's actually another big life change with Kevin here.
Uh-oh.
If you were following along on the last video, you heard that he got all of his ratings: instrument, commercial, single, multi, CFI, CFI-I, and now we can finally reveal that Kevin is no longer an air traffic controller.
What did you just say?
He's had his last day as an air traffic controller.
Cut it right there. End the video. End the video.
We're here at Crestview, Florida, headed to West Houston. It's a little over 4 hours of flying, so we will be stopping for a fuel stop on the way. Just outside of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We will take a quick fuel stop. Probably won't be filming going in and out of there, so we will catch you guys into cruise and then landing into Houston to find out.
Where are we going?
To find out if Houston is our new home. And we'll tell you in cruise why that might make sense. You're PIC. I'm just a passenger, but I would like you to get in the habit of talking out loud. It's going to really help you as an instructor.
Sure.
So instead of kind of silently flying, being, private pilot, commercial pilot, now let's graduate to CFI, your new rating, and you need to start explaining as you go. And that's really cool for the viewers at home to be able to see what you're thinking, and also for you to become a really good CFI.
Yeah, that makes sense. So, all right, we're going to be a left seat departure here on runway 17. I'm going to make a left turnout in the pattern because we have Duke airspace just south of us. So we're going to depart in the downwind, start our climb to 6,000 feet, and then we're going to call up approach on 3262 and get our clearance. So if we lose our engine on the ground, full braking and throttle idle. In the air with runway remaining, it's an 8,000 foot runway. We'll put it back down, throttle idle, full braking. Below 1,000 feet, we'll pick a 45-degree window, or there's that airport right in front of us, so we'll go right there. Above 1,000 feet, we will determine if this is a better airport or if Duke is. Questions?
No questions.
You good?
Yeah, we're downloaded now. There's someone about to turn base, so you would have time.
I see him.
Yep.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Bob Sykes, Skyline 02 Delta, taking off runway 17. Bob Sykes. Shoots go. Okay.
Crestview traffic, Chappie 14 left, base to final, runway 17, Crestview.
Power set.
Crestview traffic, last air 925 Papa Mike, 3 miles to the east, now going to enter a left downwind for 17, we'll stop Bob Sykes.
Bob Sykes,
P's and B's are good.
left cross number runway 17, Bob Sykes.
Bob Sykes traffic, last air 92 Papa Mike, entering a left downwind for 17, full stop.
One turning into the downwind and one on an extended downwind.
Left downwind, runway 17, Bob Sykes.
Bob Sykes, 02 Delta, turning left crosswind, Bob Sykes.
Bob Sykes traffic, 92 Papa Mike is a left base for 17, full stop, Bob Sykes.
All right, CHCs are starting to creep up, so let's go to our cruise
Bob
climb.
Sykes traffic, 92 Papa Mike, turning final for 17, full stop, Bob Sykes.
Bob Sykes traffic, 02 Deltas and a left downwind will be departing the pattern, Bob Sykes. Regular approach Skyline 3802 Delta, about 5 miles to the west of Crestview, leaving 3,600. We're going to pick up our IFR to Hotel Zulu Romeo.
November 3802 Delta, going to approach squawk 3212.
3212 in our 02 Delta. Where's that thing at? 3212.
3802 Delta Radar contact 4 miles west of Bob Sykes Airport. Cleared to Hotel Zulu Romeo Airport via direct. Maintain 6,000.
I cleared to Hotel Zulu Romeo via direct. Maintain 6,000. Skylane 3802 Delta. Alright, cool.
November 02 Delta, the crest, the altimeter is 3015.
3015, November 02 Delta.
Flight Crew 149, traffic no factor. 47 X-ray, traffic no factor, and hatching in sight. Number 02 Delta, contact Pensacola, approach 119.0.
119.0, Skylane 02 Delta. Approach Skylane 3802 Delta, leaving 4,300 for 6,000.
Number 3802 Delta, Pensacola, approach altimeter 3012.
3012, Skylane 3802 Delta. Cool. Alright, let's do our climb checklist.
November 7, Mike Whiskey, descend and maintain 7,000.
Throttle set, prop is set, make sure as required. Instruments look good. We'll turn our landing light off and our strobe light off.
Maybe 1 Alpha 179, Pensacola, approach altimeter.
That's good, we got our flight plan.
Request.
Climb check complete. Okay, so now we're just monitoring right now. We're climbing through 4,500. We got our oil temp is coming down. Our power set, we're getting a positive rate of climb. It's not much, but that's okay. As it comes down, we can increase power. And then we're looking for cruise checklist next. So our right now we're looking good. We keep our scan going. We're on course.
So now that we're kind of at a
left and right
safe
approved on course when able, and
position,
we
can share with people more about you leaving ATC, which is kind of crazy to say out loud. What do you want everyone to know?
So, quick backstory. We are at Oshkosh.
November 7806 Golf, exit approach 132.1.
Something about Oshkosh just, you know, it's awesome. It just gives you those feels. We get home from Oshkosh, and Mindy and I were having a talk, and I was like, you know what, I think I might want to fly. And she said, do it. Like, that was it. She just said, do it. She just supported it. So, at the time, I wasn't really thinking about leaving ATC at that moment. I was more or less thinking about just, what do I need to do to be able to fly? So I got my instrument, and then I got my commercial, and I got my multi-commercial, and then CFI and II, all since Oshkosh. I did all that. And here we are, leaving a career I've had for 8 years. I've been certified at Atlanta Center. I've been certified at Orlando Approach, and I love my job. I love being a controller, but I just want something different. And I have a spouse who is so supportive and said, go do what you want and chase your dreams. And here we are. And I can't express how thankful I am for having her here. Like, look at this. I'm leaving air traffic control to go fly airplanes because you said, follow your dreams. I hit the jackpot. I hit the jackpot. Oh, man. Getting a little choked up if you can't tell. This is a big deal. I mean, this is not nothing. Like, I don't want to stress enough that, like, leaving my job was really hard. Like, it was really, really hard to just give up everything that I've worked for. I've taken 50 check rides in my life.
Well, you didn't give it up. That's transferable skill to your new
and that's
job.
a good way of thinking of it.
Right?
Yeah.
But, like, what advice do you have to people that might be in their 30s or 40s, midlife, good career, but they're just not passionate about it? They're passionate about something else.
I know we say the cliche thing, like, you only live once, but, like, you really do only have one opportunity to do what you want. And I am completely okay if you don't want to take chances, but if you do, you have to try. Like, I might fall flat on my face doing this, but I will never regret it. Just how I don't regret being a controller and not flying earlier. Because you have to take that chance. If you have that desire in you, and you have that want and the work ethic, do it.
And it was no easy task, even for us, right? We were blessed to be in a good financial spot where we could not only put you through flight school, but allow for you to have a pretty drastic change in salary, at least for a moment, while you go be a flight instructor. But it's just like, people so easily say, like, if you want it, go get it. And if anyone is in that position where they do want to go get it and they're finding it really difficult and having some roadblocks, so you are not alone. It is really difficult to change your career. It is stressful. It's financially stressful. It's mentally stressful, especially if you have a family and you've got bills to pay and all these things, but I hope you find a way to do it. I hope you find a way to do it, because there's nothing better and more rewarding than chasing your passion and doing what you truly want to do and not feeling trapped in your life.
Couldn't agree more. Man, all right, we're coming up on 6,000 here.
Staying at altimeter 3012. For now, you can resume your navigation towards Pittsburgh. Expect vectors for runway 17.
So, we will be finishing our route out to Houston. This takes us directly north of New Orleans, and today is the Super Bowl, where that's in New Orleans. So I feel like we're really rolling the dice on getting there quickly and efficiently, so I hope that we don't have any delays. It is a reason why we're going IFR, because there's going to be a lot of traffic where we're headed through. We're going just north of New Orleans. And we're headed to Houston. And why Houston? Well, we have friends in Houston. And some of my best friends live in Houston. I'm very excited to see them. And there's a lot of aviation in the area. There's a lot of big airports, a lot of corporate airports, a lot of corporate opportunity in Houston. So there's a lot of reason why Houston, Texas is a good choice for us. So, and just a couple of hours for us and moments for you, we'll be landing and sharing with you if we are living in Houston, Texas.
Oh my goodness. Can't wait.
We are at False River Airport in Louisiana, just on our very quick fuel stop, and then headed to Houston. All right, we are fueled, quick bathroom break, and we are hopping back in the plane as quick as we can because we are chasing the sun to Houston. We will see you guys for landing.
Well, it's getting late. We are only an hour from Houston though, and we just wanted to show you guys what we've been doing up here at 6,000 feet. Listening to the Super Bowl.
You think Taylor Swift's team's gonna win?
Probably. Kickoff was 15 minutes ago. We got to hear the coin flip kickoff, and now we've been listening in. And then once we get on approach, you'll have to take a little break.
Yeah, I think we'll shut it off here soon.
All right, guys, we are in between right now. George Bush IAH and Houston Hobby Airport. They have us right in between both. We're in the Bravo right now, so we got a nice vector through this corridor. Saved us a lot of time. It is just past sunset. Luckily, me and Kev are both night current right now, which is kind of rare for both of us to be, because we don't do a ton of night flying. But we have the airport in sight, coming in for the visual. It's a beautiful night. Lots of lights. Houston on our left.
Oh yeah. This is a big city.
Kind of weird that the skyline is the only thing not lit up. It's just like dark buildings. Everything else is so lit.
I mean, I see the beacon.
I see the beacon as well, but I do not see the runway. There's a dark black hole
departure to contact.
where the runway is supposed to be.
Runway
November 3802 Delta traffic 2 o'clock, 5 miles southeastbound, 3000 Skyhawk.
Searching. Skyline 02 Delta.
I got them.
I got it.
November 927 Tango Sierra traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles westbound, 2000 Skylane.
Looking for traffic 730.
November 3802 Delta West Houston Airport 12 o'clock, 8 miles, reported to space.
We'll call the field here in just a moment for you, and we do have the traffic inside Skyline 02 Delta.
Number 02 Delta, roger, thanks.
We're 8 miles out. We do need to descend eventually.
Delta 3149, proceed direct lead.
I'm going to try to get the lights on, see if you see anything pop up.
Liverpool 102 my traffic, 11 o'clock, 4 miles southbound, level at 2,000 citation.
You see the end?
Yeah.
I think I do too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see both ends now.
And approach 02 Delta has a field in sight.
Yeah, they're both blinking.
02 Delta, Roger, I'll be right back with you. Textron 817, thanks. Your radar contact, maintain 2,000, that's your level there. There's traffic at 3 o'clock and about 2 miles northeastbound, level at 3 is Skylane.
Okay, got him on the TCAS and looking for him.
That traffic's passing off
Number
our
3
way.
at 02 Delta, cleared visual approach, West Houston Airport, for traffic cancellation.
Clear visual approach into West Houston, Skyline 02 Delta.
02 Delta, you can cancel with me now or via clearance delivery after you land.
Roger.
Roger, I'll cancel in just a moment here, 02 Delta.
Roger.
West Houston, Skyline 02 Delta is about 8 miles to the east inbound, runway 15, full stop, West Houston.
02 Delta, change to advisory frequency approved.
And we'll go ahead and cancel with you now, 02 Delta.
02 Delta, for cancellation with C, squawk VFR, for exchange approved. Good night.
1200 CF, 02 Delta. West Houston, Skyline 02 Delta, left downwind, runway 15, West Houston.
Right, you got the runway end here in sight.
Yep. West Houston traffic, Skyline 02 Delta, left base, runway 15, West Houston.
Final's clear.
West Houston, Skyline 02 Delta, turn in final, runway 15, West Houston. Speed looks good.
Look long and wide. Good job. Great job.
Thank you.
See this line right to the right? That's your lead off line.
And West Houston Skyline is now clear the active Texan FBO West Houston. That's pretty good.
Get off the brakes.
Get off the brakes,
Dude, it's not a nose cast steering wheel. Stop being a Cirrus dude.
Oh no.
If you guys didn't know, Kevin got his CFI and II in the Cirrus, and now he thinks he's got to ride the brakes in my plane.
That was the last plane I flew. And it's
You
just there.
do not ride the brakes on this guy. You see your dude?
Yeah, I see him.
Okay, guys. Well, thanks for coming on this next video series of moving. I can't tell you guys in the plane. I have to reveal to you when we get out of the plane. So I'll tell you in just a second if we live in Houston. Bye.
Okay guys, I had to get out of the airplane to reveal to you why Houston is such a great place for us to live. It is just like Florida, kind of. Texas, Florida, you know. It has water, there's lots of aviation. We have friends here. So I'm so excited to tell you guys that this is not where we are moving. So stay tuned for our next video.